everybody, it's Dietitian Jackie, and today we're making this super easy and healthier beef ramen noodle bowl. So we've got lean beef, we have tons of vegetables with broccoli and bell peppers, but the secret ingredient really is these miracle noodles that have pretty much 5 calories for the whole package. So let's try it out and see how it is. Let's get started with our delicious sauce. We've got soy sauce, honey, some fresh lemon juice, as well as some minced garlic. Add in a little cayenne for some heat and give that a mix. Now you're just gonna chop up all your veggies. I have onions and 2 bell peppers. Just set those aside and now go ahead and throw your steak on a pan or a grill pan. You could use an outdoor grill, but I'm using a pan because I want to get those veggies into the same pan. You can go ahead and cover it if you like, just to speed up the cooking process along. Add in your sauce, and now we're going to go in with our miracle noodles, and that's going to be our ramen, but you could use real ramen if you'd like. Remember to let your steak rest for about 5 minutes before you slice it up. And now let's assemble our bowl. Add in your veggies and your noodles and build that up nice and high. I'm gonna top it with an egg that's been hard boiled. And now, of course, top it with your sliced steak. I'm gonna go in with some sesame seeds and sliced scallions, and of course, sriracha for some more heat. I love this. I think I'm gonna make this on a weekly basis. Enjoy.